Hello students, welcome all of you. Last lecture we have already studied topic number 3A, demand analysis. In this topic, meaning and definition of demand, individual demand schedule, market demand schedule, then types of demand, factors affecting market demand, law of demand, then variation in demand and change in demand. Now today we are going to solve topic number 3A, demand analysis exercise. Question number 1, complete the following statements. 1. The relationship between demand for a good and price of its substitute is option number 1 direct, second inverse, third no effect, and fourth can be direct and inverse. Students, the relationship between quantity demanded and price also inverse, but here substitute goods, tea and coffee, Pepsi and Coca-Cola, Dettol and Lifebuoy. So substitute goods demand relationship price also direct, because when price of tea increases, when price of tea increases, demand demand of coffee also increases, and vice versa. When price of tea decreases, automatically demand for coffee decreases. So here the relationship between demand for a good and price of its substitute is a direct relation. So option number 1 is correct, direct. Second question, the relationship between income and demand for inferior goods is 4 options: direct, inverse, no effect, can be direct and inverse. So relationship between a income and demand for inferior goods like that low quality goods or low price goods, jawar, maize, bread. So when price of inferior goods falls or decreases, consumers income increases or purchasing power increases. So when income level increases, inferior goods demand decreases. It is called the functional relationship, or the relationship between income and demand for inferior goods is a inverse. Direct also not possible, no effect, and can be direct, and inverse also not possible. So option number 2 is correct, inverse. Third, symbolically the functional relationship between demand and price can be expressed as option number 1, dx is equal to p in bracket px. Second option, dx is equal to f in bracket pz. Third option, dx is equal to f in bracket y. And fourth option, dx is equal to f in bracket t. So 3 option number and 4 option number not possible. So comparison option 1 and 2. So option number 1, dx is equal to f in bracket px. So here d means demand for a commodity, x is equal to commodity, f is equal to function, and px means the price of a commodity. So the functional relationship between demand and price can be expressed dx is equal to f in bracket px is the correct option. So here option number 1 is correct. Next, question number 4, when less units are demanded at high price, it shows option number 1, increase in demand. Option number 2, expansion of demand. Third, decrease in demand. And fourth, contraction in demand. Here, when less units are demanded at high price, it shows means only change in price, other factors remaining same. Less units are demanded at high price means increase in demand not possible, expansion of demand not possible, decrease in demand not possible. So option number 4, contraction in demand is a correct option. Contraction in demand is a correct option. Next, question number 2, give economic terms. Number 1, a situation where more quantity is demanded at lower price. A situation where more quantity is demanded at lower price. So economic terms, expansion of demand. Expansion of demand means here more quantity demanded at lower price means price falls, quantity demanded increases, other factors remaining same. It is called expansion of demand. Next, graphical representation of demand schedule. Graphical representation in a individual demand schedule, market demand schedule and law of demand schedule. So graphical representation of demand schedule in economic terms, demand curve. Third, a commodity which can be put to several uses. A commodity which can be put to several uses. For example, electricity, milk. These are the examples of multi-purpose or several uses. So here economic terms, answer composite demand. Next, more quantity is demanded due to changes in the factors determining demand other than price. Means more quantity is demanded due to changes in the factors determining demand for or demand other than price. Means here no change in price, other factors affect. So answer increasing demand means when size of population increases, when consumers income increases, good weather conditions, then quantity demanded increases. It is called increase in demand. Here price is constant. Next, number 5, a desire which is backed by willingness to purchase and ability to pay. Here 3 conditions necessary for demand. Number 1, desire plus ability to pay and willingness to buy or pay. So here economic terms, answer demand. Next question, observe the following table and answer the following questions. Students, here observe the table quantity demanded per price per kg in 25, 30, 35 and 40 rupees. Then consumer A demand, consumer B and consumer C. So when price of, for example, here suppose sugar 25 rupees kg, A consumer 60 kg demanded, B kg 15 and C kg 12. Then price increase 25 to 30, then quantity demanded decreases, consumer A, B, C respectively. Then price increase 35, consumer A, B and C demand falls or decreases, and price again increase 40 rupees, A consumer 8 kg, B consumer 6 kg and C consumer 4 kg. So here given the market demand schedule. So last column, market demand in kgs, here not given. So question, complete the market demand schedule. Complete the market demand schedule means all consumers or all buyers demand, A consumers plus B consumers plus C consumers. So 16 kg sugar plus 15 kg plus 12. So answer 43 kg. Then 12 kg, 11 kg, 10 kg, answer 33. Then 10, 9, 8 kg, 27 kg, and last 8 kg, 6 kg and 4 kg. So answer 18 kg. So complete the market demand schedule: 43 kg, 33 kg, 27 kg and 18 kg. Next question in this diagram. Next question, draw market demand curve based on above market demand schedule. Market demand schedule you are given, then you draw the demand curve. In draw demand curve, on x-axis quantity demanded means in bracket market demand, and y-axis price. Price of x commodity or sugar here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40 kg. Then quantity demanded 5 kg to 45 kg. So when price of sugar 25 kg, then 43 kg demanded, then 30 rupees kg per kg, then 33 kg demanded, then 35, 27 kg and 40, then 18 kg demanded. So when you connect all the points, DD demand curve downward slope from left to right. Next question, observe the given diagram and answer the following questions. Students, you first observe the diagram. In a diagram, on y-axis price in rupees P and x-axis quantity demanded Q. Here price also constant P, no change in price, and quantity demanded original OQ, then OQ1 and OQ2. So here original demand curve DD, then next demand curve quantity demand increases D1, D1 and quantity demanded decreases D2, D2. So first here arrow original quantity demanded OQ, then quantity demanded increases Q, Q1 arrow here upward, and quantity demanded decreases Q, Q2 arrow here decline or decreases, and here price also constant, means no change in price when other factors positive effect or negative effect that affect on quantity demanded, so favorable or unfavorable. So in a topic number 3, a demand analysis, first we observe a diagram and you are necessary to find out which type question. So variation demand, two types, expansion in demand and contraction in demand, and change in demand, two types, increase in demand and decrease in demand. So the diagram also you necessary observe and correct, means this diagram also explain increase in demand and decrease in demand. Then questions. Number 1, rightward shift a demand curve. Second question, leftward shift in demand curve. Third, price remains. And fourth question, increase and decrease in demand comes under. So first question, rightward shift in demand curve. So here original demand curve D, then rightward, right side demand curve D1, D1. So answer, increase in demand in bracket demand curve D1 rightward shift in demand curve, it is called increase in demand. Next question, leftward shift in demand curve. Here original demand curve DD and leftward D2 means quantity demanded decreases Q2 Q2 means leftward demand curve, it is called decrease in demand. So demand curve in bracket D2. Next, price remains here P, original price OP, no change in price because answer OP is a constant, means price remains here constant. And last question, increase and decrease in demand comes under, increase and decrease comes under means variation in demand two types, expansion in demand and contraction in demand, and change in demand two types, increase in demand and decrease in demand. So here answer change in demand. Next question, explain the diagram. Students, here two diagrams given and ask two questions. Diagram A and diagram B, first you observe. In diagram A, on x-axis quantity demanded and y-axis price in rupees. Here price falls, original price OP and original quantity demanded OQ. Okay. Then price falls P1, then quantity demanded decreases Q1 Q. Means quantity demanded increases Q1 and price falls P1, means price falls P1 and quantity demanded increases Q1. So here point A to B, downward arrow means DD demand curve downward slope from left to right. So A diagram explain when price falls quantity demanded increases, and second diagram B the same, on x-axis quantity demanded in kgs and y-axis price in rupees. Here original price OP and original quantity demanded OQ. So price increases P1, price increases P1, then quantity demanded decreases Q1. So here on DD curve B point to A point, B point is original, then A point means arrow is upward, means here decrease in contraction in demand, and here expansion of demand. So here questions, diagram A represents in demand and diagram B represents in demand. So students answer in number 1 diagram A represents expansion in demand and diagram B represents contraction in demand. Then next question, in diagram A moments of demand curve is in which direction? Diagram A, moment of demand curve is in which direction? So answer, here answer downward, means direction downward, point A to B, here downward, and here point B to A upward. So here direction upward. So in this types questions, first you observe the diagram, then solve the questions answer. Okay friends, if you like this video, please like and this video share and subscribe, then my next video notification available for you. Thank you.